Hi, Christy here from Federal Brace, and today we are introducing our new stud-mounted shelf rod and stud-mounted shelf bracket. These new shelf brackets are designed to be mounted directly to the wall studs and have a carrying capacity of 100 pounds each. Stud-mounted shelf rods come in two sizes, 8 inches by 4 inches and 12 inches by 4 inches. The usable rod lengths are 6 inches or 10 inches and are only a ½ inch tall. Stud-mounted shelf brackets come in two sizes, 8 inches by 2 inches and 12 inches by 4 inches. The usable arm lengths are 6 inches or 10 inches and are only 0.875 of an inch tall. These brackets will support extremely low profile shelves. Let's take a look at how they're installed.